In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready, to record an audio file and add it within Messages app, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Now start recording by tapping on microphone 1. If you want to hit restart right away to redo it, tap on red button to stop it, listen to it and tap on restart or attach, or hit attach right away and listen to it here. If you want to add already existing audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner, select Files, and look for yours by tapping on Audio at the top, selecting it from one of those apps, or what most people miss by clicking on those 3 lines at the top left corner and picking it from one of those sources. Either way, after you find it, tap on it to attach it. Now if you want to create and add video one, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now switch from photo to video and use camera portion of your screen to record it. After you're done, it will be automatically attached. To add a video that's already on your phone, use the same icon and click on it here. Or if you can't see it, hold this line, drag it up and use all of those searching options. Then tap on it to add it and hit done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!